What? Sabrina? My kitty, Sabrina Jean. I got food. Every time I get food, she thinks I should share it with her. She loves the TGIF Fridays bacon flavored potato chips. See? She thinks she's part human. She literally almost eats everything that I eat food-wise. If I've got cereal out, she wants a piece of cereal, so I give it to her. If I get her chips, which are, like I said, the bacon cheddar TGIF, she's got to have some too. Look, there she goes. Look. Leave mine alone. So when I get a bag for myself, I gotta get two. So I can have me a bag, and she can have her own bag. Because if not, she'll end up sticking her head in the bag. Then I don't get any. And we got the Pinkie Pie, which she thinks she's got to have everything that Sabrina does. And so does the Madeline. But then when I go to give it to them, they don't eat it. Rotten cats. See? Pinkie Pie didn't eat it. Sabrina will. Because she knows his daddy. She's rotten. Alright, you baby girl. Rotten booger head. That's no cheese. You're done. So you gonna leave me alone now? Booger head? Am I gonna finish eating my cheese? You're messy. You're worse than a dog is. Booger. Sabrina Jean. Now watch. Look, here she goes. She's going to try to figure a way to get over here and get my piece of cheese I got in my hand. What, baby girl? Don't bite me. I know how you are, turd. You're rotten, Sabrina. Yeah, you're on camera. Sabrina.